जय शिव शंकर, जय शिव शंकर, श्रीखंड महादेव, Kailash, toughest pilgrimage and toughest Panch Kailash, one of Panch Kailash, and you can see surroundings. And this is Ganesh ji, and then Parvati ji. Wow, beautiful, peaceful and spiritual place. हर हर महादेव।